Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about face fitness massage. I usually do this massage every time I do my facial exercises. You can also use it as your nighttime routine before you apply your eye cream and your face cream. This is really relaxing. You're gonna love it. And for this, you will need toner to clean up your skin. I'm using St. Bart's. I have this mini, but any toner is good. And also you will have to apply a good amount of facial oil. The one I'm using is from Drunk Elephant. It's called Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. It's really good, but any facial oil is good. I will be silent in this video because I feel like it's self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, please comment below and I will definitely reply to them. So before I start showing you the exercises, let's clean our skin with the toner. And now let's apply a good amount of facial oil on your skin and on your neck. So first we're going to be working with our neck and then we're going to be doing the face massage, okay? I really hope you guys do it and I really hope you enjoy it.